Hey everyone, welcome back to IDplex, your ultimate destination for tech reviews and tutorials. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we're diving into the world of AI-powered video creation with a tool called Luma Labs Dream Machine, an innovative AI tool designed to supercharge your creativity. Ever wished you could bring your ideas to life in a video without needing fancy equipment or editing skills? Dream Machine promises to do just that. We'll explore its features, see how it works, and discuss the pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right fit for your video creation needs. So what exactly is the Luma Labs Dream Machine? Dream Machine is an AI tool that uses text descriptions and even images to generate short video clips. Imagine typing a cat riding a skateboard through a park and getting a cool video of exactly that. Pretty amazing, right? It's important to note that Dream Machine is still under development, but it has the potential to be a game changer for content creators, YouTubers, marketers, and anyone who wants to create engaging videos without the hassle. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're new to AI tools, you'll find it easy to navigate. The image generator allows you to produce high-quality visuals tailored to your needs, and the video generator offers tools to create engaging video content quickly. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using the Luma Labs Dream Machine. One of the standout features is its ability to enhance your creativity. If you've ever faced a creative block, you know how frustrating it can be. The Dream Machine helps you overcome this by providing fresh ideas and high-quality content at the click of a button. Dream Machine generates 5 shots with a realistic smooth motion, cinematography, and drama, make lifeless into lively, turn snapshots into stories. By automating repetitive and tedious tasks, the Dream Machine lets you focus on what truly matters. Dream Machine understands how people, animals, and objects interact with the physical world. This allows you to create videos with great character, consistency, and accurate physics. One thing to keep in mind is that while the AI is powerful, it may not always capture the exact nuance or style you're aiming for. Some tweaking and editing might be necessary. Dream Machine helps you experiment with an endless array of fluid, cinematic and naturalistic camera motions matching the emotion and contents of the scene. Results can be inconsistent. You might need to refine your prompts for better outcomes. Limited control over the final video, you can only provide prompts, not specific instructions. Still under development, so expect occasional glitches or limitations. Using Dream Machine is incredibly simple. Let me click on Try Now and sign up for new account. When you first log into the Dream Machine, you are greeted with a sleek and intuitive interface. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're new to AI tools, you'll find it easy to navigate. Now you'll find a text box where you can type in your video prompt. Be as detailed and descriptive as possible for the best results. You can also upload an image to give Dream Machine a starting point for your video. Once you're happy with your prompt, hit generate and wait for the AI to work its magic. Dream Machine typically takes a couple of minutes to process your request, depending on demand. Luma Labs Dream Machine offers a freemium model, meaning there's a free plan with limitations and paid subscriptions for increased usage. The free plan allows you to generate a certain number of videos per month, typically around 30. This is a great way to test the tool and see if it fits your needs. If you need more than the free plan offers, Luma Labs has several paid subscription tiers. These typically offer a set number of generations video creations per month. Here's a quick breakdown replaced with specific pricing information you find on the Luma Labs website. Standard plan generates around 120 videos per month for a monthly fee around $29.99. 9 Pro plan generates around 400 videos per month for a higher monthly fee around $99 and $99.99. 9 Premier plan generates around 2,000 videos per month for the highest monthly fee around $499.99. 9 Remember, these are ballpark figures and the actual pricing might change. It's always best to check the Luma Labs website for the latest pricing information and plan details. Now here is the generation which I created: an old lady laughing underwater, wearing a scuba diving suit. Her expression denotes calm and happiness. Dream Machine is a great tool for YouTubers looking for quick and engaging video intros, outros, or short segments. Social media managers who need eye-catching content for their platforms. educators who want to create animated explainer videos, anyone with a creative idea who wants to see it come to life in a video format. To sum it up, the LumaLabs Dream Machine is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to enhance their creative projects. With its user-friendly interface, powerful AI capabilities, and time-saving features, it's a valuable addition to any creator's toolkit. I highly recommend giving it a try. That concludes our exploration of LumaLabs Dream Machine. Remember, it's an evolving tool, so keep an eye out for future updates and improvements. Overall, Dream Machine is a powerful and easy to use AI tool with a lot of potential. It might not be perfect yet, but it's definitely worth trying out for your next video project. If you have any questions or want to share your Dream Machine creations, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching this review on IDplex. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.